Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Storytime Online. Today we're going to read On the Farm by Jill McDonald. Rise and shine. The day starts early on the farm, where there is a lot to do and see. Let's go! Chickens love to walk and peck around the farmyard. The hens lay eggs in their cozy coop. A rooster is a male chicken. Can you point to his long, feathered tail? This big cow is being milked. The farmer squeezes the milk into a bucket. Milk can also be made from soybeans, almonds, rice, coconuts, or oats. Goats are like lawn mowers. They love to eat plants and can clear weeds from the land by bunching them all up. Baby goats are called kids, just like you. These bushy sheep are covered in wool. When the farmer gives them a haircut, their wool can be spun into yarn to make warm clothes and blankets. A female sheep is called a ewe, and a male is a ram. Baby sheep are lambs. Tractors are important farm vehicles. They pull and push heavy loads and help with planting seeds and harvesting fruit, vegetables, and grains. Before the tractor was invented, horses, donkeys, and oxen helped with field work. This farm grows grains like wheat, corn, rye, barley, oats, and rice. A combine harvester cuts the plants and separates the grains from the stalks. Then it puts the grains into the back of a truck. That's a big job. Grains are stored in a building called a silo. Apples grow on trees in a farm called an orchard. Autumn is a nice time to visit when the fruit is ready to be picked. There might even be a corn maze for you to run through. Some nuts grow on trees too, such as walnuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pistachios. This farm grows all sorts of vegetables. It's a rainbow of colors. Can you name the different vegetables you see? I can see red pepper, orange pepper, carrots, squash, eggplants. Vegetables are grown from seeds. A barn is a building that keeps the farm animals, tools, and grains safe and dry. Barns can be made of wood, metal, stone, bricks, or even sticks and straw. Everyone is helping to load the pickup truck with fruit and vegetables. The farmers will take the food to be sold at a farmer's market. Pickup trucks can carry heavy loads in the cargo bed at the back. Now we're at the farmer's market. What food would you like to get first? Farmers markets are a great place to talk to the farmers from your area. What question would you ask them? The end. Thank you for reading with me today. I hope you enjoyed this story today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.